Good morning, everyone. This is your daily morning work for Thursday, April 9th, 2020. All right, we're going to start with which sentence is written correctly. I am using Scott's pencil and markers. I is using Scott's pencils and markers, or I am used Scott's pencils and markers. All right, we need to make sure that our verb is correct. That's what we're looking for today. So let's look at I am using Scott pencils and markers. That looks good, right? And I actually have it written as correct, but let me explain the other two. I is using, no, that is not the right verb. So it's I am using, okay? And then when we look at this third choice, I am use, nope, that's the wrong verb. It needs to be using. So the correct answer was the first one. We're gonna look at our clock. Apologize for the shadow, but we're getting better at this every day. We are going to draw the time on the analog clock. It says we're supposed to draw 8:45. So what we're going to do is we're going to point the shorthand right here. This is a shorthand. That's the hour hand. We're going to point that at the 8. And then we need to count by 5s till we get to 45. So I went ahead and did that, so count along with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we need to draw our longer hand, our minute hand, to the 9, which would mean 8:45. All right, let me draw an arrow to that, and the 9 is 8:45. All right, we are going to move on. What two words make up the compound word blueberry? Well, that would be blue and berry. All right, we're going to move back up to the top. All right, which word is the correct plural of the underlined word? The underlined one man, two men. It's not two men's, it's not two mans, it is two men. Give me 1 second, I gotta spray my cat because she keeps meowing. All right, I thought I was gonna get through this without the cat meowing, but that didn't happen. Shades of meaning. All right, we're gonna do them. Oh, we were supposed to put them from the strongest to the weakest. I put them from the weakest to the strongest. Mrs. Lossner did not pay attention. So the strongest, it's hop, jump, leap. So the strongest should be leap. I'm just going to rewrite them over here. So it should be leap, jump, jump stays in the middle, and hop. So I didn't read the directions, so we wanted to put them from the strongest to the weakest. So this is wrong. And this is correct. All right, which two words make up the contraction I've? I love, I have, or I give. The correct answer is I have. We're gonna flip it over to the back side. We're gonna look at our line plot. Our line says, use the line plot for questions 1 through 5. The lengths of some of the leaves were measured. The line plot shows the number of leaves for each measurement. So I made my little table over here. And I noticed that there's one leaf that is 3 inches long. There's none that are 4, none that are 5. Let's see how many are 6 inches long. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So next to my 6, I put that there are 7 leaves that are 6 inches long. Okay, how many do we have that are 7 inches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we have 8 that are 7 inches long. How many do we have that are 8 inches long? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 leaves that are 8 inches long. Let's see, how many do we have? 9 inches long. We have 1, 2, 3. You can see I put the 3 there. And then 10 inches long, we have 2. Okay, so our first question says, how many leaves measure 6 inches? So I come back up here, I can look at my chart. 6 inches, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, how many leaves measure 4 inches? I look up at my chart, I see number 4, there's none. So the answer would be 0. All right, I'm gonna move up to this side over here. There are 3 leaves with the same measurement. What is the length? We look at number of leaves, that would be 3, and so they are 9 inches. Number 4, one more leaf was measured and added to the line plot. The leaf measured 10 inches. What is the new number of leaves that measure 10 inches? So I can go back over here. First there were 2 leaves. Then we're going to add a leaf. So I'm going to add a leaf up here. And now there would be 3 leaves. So the 10 would change to 3. All right. Let's see. One more leaf was measured and added to the line plot. The leaf measured 5 inches. What is the new number of leaves that measure 5 inches? Well, if you look over here, we have 0 right now. We added 1. So we have 0 plus 1 equals 1. There's 1. All right, thanks for going over your daily morning work with me. Miss you guys. See you on Zoom soon, or see you somewhere soon. I don't think Zoom, but maybe somewhere else very soon. Miss you guys. Bye.